Welcome to Top Driver! Today we have the highly anticipated final of our race car tournament. But before starting, remember to like, subscribe and activate the bell for updates. In the description of the video there are a lot of useful links.
Before the start, we want to present the 4 drivers fighting for the championship. The Jaguar XJ220, driven by Pamela Page. For the team Sunflower, we present Zoso.
The Mustang Shelby GT500. At the wheel there is Jean-Pierre Bonton for the Wild Nature team. He is very determined in this car, Vipera.
Third in the race, the Ford GT40 Nuvola for the 4-lane team is driven by Otto Volante. The Italian driver is super focused on the race.
Last but not least, the Chevy Chevelle, created by the local workshop Ultra Valvole. At the wheel of the beautiful car there is Franco Rame. As of this car, Cooperate.
Here at our side, you can also see the prize for the winner of the race car tournament, a completely silver car with diamond insert and cobalt glasses.
Woohoo! Let's see who will get their hands on it.
The competitors are already at the pace of the snake. Are you ready, Max?
Woohoo! Yes!
I'm ready. What about you guys?
Well, on the left we have in front the Shelby Vipera of Jean-Pierre Bonton, and behind him Nuvola, the 4GT of Otto Volante.
On the right, Copperhead, driving Franco Rame, and Zoso, the Emerald Jaguar, driving by Pamela Page.
Lowering engine, waiting for the green and go!
After the start, Bonton slips away at the chicane. He's on top.
Fast and blow, and behind where Copperhead tried to overtake.
Zoso maintains his position and threatens Vipera.
The 3 fronts are very close, but Bonton crosses the finish line first, followed by Zoso and Cooperate. Nuvola, those are 360 on the line before the finish. Control problems for him.
So Vipera 5 points, Zoso 3 points, Copperhead 2 points, and Nuvola 1 point. Now, Max, let's go to race 2.
Exactly, the position are changing. In front of the left, Otto Volante on the Ford, who has solved the traction problems and is preparing for a crackling start. Behind him is Pamela Page in the Jaguar.
On the right, in front, we have the French pilot aboard the Shelby Vipera for the Wild Nature team, and behind him, the idol of Pico Serpente, Franco Rame, who drives the Chevelle Copperhead.
Come on, guys, ready and together, 3, 2, 1, go!
The group is compact after the start, some difficulties for Copperhead, who remains behind.
Nuvola runs for the first place, but Bonton is aggressive and overtakes Zoso.
But the race is tight and the situation does not change. First place, Otto Volante, who takes 5 points with an exceptional time of 6.782 seconds. Vipera earned 3 points for the second positions. Have you seen Max? The cameraman fell on the track on his face.
Let's hope he wasn't hurt. Third, Pamela Page, who will be furious with only 2 points for the third position. And the last, Franco Rame, we have seen him in serious difficulty.
Top left summary for partial scores: Bonton 8 points, Otto Volante 6 points, Zoso 5 points, and Copperhead 3 points.
Now it's time to stay focused on the race. Race 3, ready at the starting block. In front of the left window there is Zoso, and the right, Nuvola.
Behind them in order, Copperhead and Vipera. Okay, it's time to go. Ready, action, start!
Roaring start with the Jaguar pushing on the gas.
Clumsy control of Otto Volante before Mushi.
On the straight, Pamela Page increases the gap. She reaches the finish line first. Amazing!
participate at all. Last place again for him.
Second spot for the fourth of the Fairlane team, and third Jean-Pierre Bonton, who gets it by Cooperate. And now the best part of the trip.
Final round! Now Franco Rame driving Cooperate for the Ultra Valvole Workshop is on the front left. So far only 4 points for him. Can he still save the situation? Let's find out!
Behind him we have Jean-Pierre Bonton. His Shelby Vipera, who drives for the Wild Nature team, has proven to be strong enough. At the moment he records 10 points and feels confidence on his feet.
On the right, in second position, the Jaguar of the Sunflower team, Pamela Page with her Zozo has shown great qualities and at the moment has collected an excellent score. 10 points for her too, on a par with the French.
Behind all, Otto Volante, his Ford GT40 New Vola played a remarkable tournament. They will be happy in the Fairlane team. 9 points achieved for him.
So nothing is decided yet. Everything is possible. Keep your eyes on because they will popping out in this final round.
Motor clutch launch.
Cooperate get up for a great start, super fast at the 8th curve.
Before the chicane Bonton turn upside down, the race is over for him.
Race over also for Otto Volante, who is blocked by the Shelby.
The Jaguar does not grow. Cooperate rushes to the finish line and goes to win with an excellent time, 6.775 seconds.
Only D and F for Bonton and Otto Volante.
Don't celebrate the victory too soon.
Incredibile, Max! I've lost count. How did the scores go? Full screen score summary.
Francesco, crazy! The new race car tournament champion is Pamela Page. All the Jaguars also against all odds. She wins the tournament, and together with Jean-Pierre Bonton on the Shelby, they pass to the final stages of the Downhill Master Deluxe.
Really unexpected. The pilots are going up to the Vibber Terrace for the awards ceremony. Unbelievable tournament. Great races. It was very exciting to be here.
My pleasure, Stinky. Thanks to you and thanks to all of you. We are waiting for your comments about the video. Let us know your impression. Now it's time to say goodbye. Good night and good fight from Max Power and Stinky.
And it's time for us to leave you. We have a lot to do. We are preparing a new truck, new races, and new surprises only for you.
Woohoo!
Stay tuned on Top Driver Diecast, where the jeans
Never sleep.